Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe before I start and press that like button. Thank you. Guys, I'm from the Philippines, but my father gave me this turkey money. It's 200, and then I have $20. Guys, this is not fake. This is not play money. And this is not play money. Guys, this is not play money. I promise you guys, this is not play money. I have the $20 and the 200 turkey money. This is not fake, guys. This is not fake. Wait, guys, wait. Guys, the man in the Philippines, there's a man in here. I will see if this money is real. The money in the Philippines, the side is a man. Wait, my camera is so blurry. Look guys, do you see the man? Wait guys, wait. There we go. Guys, can you see it? Wait. Guys, can you see it? There's a man. And and I will show you the 230 money. Wait guys. Guys, look at that. There's a man. Guys, this $20 is real. And this 230 money is real too. If you want to see more about this, please subscribe. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.